Number 3, what will you do for all the Americans suffering with to no health care? And yes, that's a new expression I created. Instead of little to no, it's to no health care. So Democrats, will you finally pass Medicare for all, giving every American universal health care like every other industrialized nation who doesn't have their heads up their ass?
Let's flash forward. Your president, Bernie Sanders, is still active in the Senate. He manages to get Medicare for all through the Senate. It comes to your desk. Do you veto it?
I would veto anything that delays providing the security and the certainty of health care being available now. If they got that through and by some miracle, there was an epiphany that occurred, and some miracle occurred that said, okay, it's passed, then you got to look at the cost. I want to know, how did they find the $35 trillion?
Ah, the old how you gonna pay for it gambit. I've got an idea. Just spitballing here. How could you pay for it? End all the wars! And the war on Iraq, and the war on Syria, and the war on Afghanistan, and the war on Yemen, and the actions in Libya, and AFRICOM, and our support for the war on Palestine. And before you know it, wow, you got money spraying out your eyeballs. We have as much money as we want because we can print as much money as we want. And our ridiculous, bloated military proves it. So next time a poor child can't get the cancer treatment he needs because you, Joe, said, "Where's the money?" when you have an endless supply of cash for bombing other children across the world, do me a favor, Joe. Take your dentures out and throw them on the floor. Then grab your hair plugs and shove them in your mouth to make sure you shut the f*** up.